Rodriguez, where are you from? Mom and dad and other relatives. Celso, Celso is from Mexico. Am I right? Celso. Pataray talaga. Taray ko. Diyos mio. Diba nangaaway ako ng ano? Nangaaway ng viewers. Nakakaloka. Thank you, Celso. Celso looks like a Filipino name. Here in the Philippines, there's a name of Celso. So, I think you're a Mexican or a Spanish like that. Yeah, I think so. This one, it's from my mother. This one, it's from me. I buy this, it's too expensive, it's a gold. And this one, it's a silver only. My mother gave it to me when I was um, 2019 or 20. Yeah, parang ganon. 2019 or 20. My mother gave this to me. It's old ring, two hearts, like that. But it's simple, but it's nice. I love this ring. And this one, I buy this, too expensive. Charot. It's a gold. Yeah, I remember the childhood. Hello, three viewers. Comment down below so I can say thank you, everyone. I want to say thank you. I know you live white. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Salso. Thank you. I know you live white banana. What do you mean? What do you mean, Danny? How's your day, Danny? Hello, five viewers. Thank you for coming. Thank you po. Ayan. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. Sana on my channel. You know what, guys?